Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and today's video I'm going to be talking about a cleansing oil that has been working very well for me, and this is from Kama Ayurveda. This is their clarifying and brightening cleansing oil. First off, just look at this packaging. How luxurious does that look? Very, very nice. And then this is what the actual product looks like. So this, you get 100 ml of product, and this retails for 1995, and they also have a 50 ml variant, and that you get it for 995 rupees. So this product comes with a pump packaging, and I really like that because it gives you that ease to use the product, and I really appreciate pump, especially when sometimes my hands are a little bit messy, oily or wet, and pump always comes in handy. So coming to the cleansing oil itself, it is enriched with Kumkumadi oil. So this is an oil that I have been using ever since I was a teenager. So it helps brighten your skin, even out your skin tone. It is a good anti-aging ingredient, and it helps annihilate skin related issues. So this oil also contains licorice and Indian madder, which help reduce pigmentation, and it also contains Centella asiatica, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. Now this is what the actual cleansing oil looks like. Of course, it has an oil consistency and it smells divine. It just smells so nice and therapeutic almost. I really love the scent of this one, and so this product was something that I was on a lookout for a long time. It's a really great alternative to a cleansing balm. So sometimes what happens is cleansing balms, they solidify during the winter time, or some of them contain like some kind of like scrub particles. They get a little bit rigid and they don't really work really well for my skin, some of them. And then it gets rigid, so it tugs and pulls on your skin as well. So a cleansing oil is a very good option for anyone who's looking for an alternative to a cleansing balm. Now coming to the usage, how I like to use this is I like to take about a pump or two in between my palm, just warm it up lightly and apply it on my face and massage it onto my face, just so that it melts all of the makeup that is present on my face. So it removes every bit of makeup, like my foundation, whatever face makeup I have, the eye makeup, super matte lipsticks as well. Everything is dissolved. So once you're done massaging this onto your skin, you can take about like 20 seconds and do that, and or how much ever time you want. You don't have to stick to a time limit, but just massage this onto your skin and take off all of that makeup, and then rinse off with lukewarm water and follow it up with a face wash. So I usually, because it is a cleansing oil, I like to use it on my dry skin, because it's not like a cleansing balm where your skin has to be wet, because otherwise it will start to tug and pull. This one doesn't do that, so you can apply it on your dry skin, massage it. But of course, if you do come in contact with water, it does lather up mildly. And what I really like about this cleansing oil is that it leaves a subtle glow on your skin even after you're like using a face wash, and it doesn't feel like your skin is stripped of all of that moisture, and it doesn't feel very dry. I really like that about this product. It's such an easy product to use. Okay, it's not something that is very inconvenient. You can include this as part of your first cleanse, and then follow up with whatever products you want to. Another thing that I really like is that it doesn't like sting and burn my eye. It doesn't like block my vision. It doesn't make it uncomfortable for the next 5 minutes because I've used a product that's going to sting and burn my eye. Nothing of that sort. So also, it's not at all messy, and it can help you a lot during your nighttime skincare routine, during your daytime skincare routine. Even if you want to just use it just for a subtle cleanse, you can use that. Super gentle, super easy, just feels lightweight on the skin as well while you're doing all of this, like the process of taking off your makeup. Something that I really, really enjoy. So yeah, that's pretty much all of that I wanted to talk about this product. I really enjoyed it. Something that I was looking out for, and I'm so glad I got to try this one out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this product in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.